Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you on how to generate your own interactive diagram for your Java project through the application called Ceethru. So right now as you see in front of me, I have a Java project which is called Tic-Tac-Toe Game Runner, and it belongs to the repository Tic-Tac-Toe Java, and the same thing is represented in a diagrammatical form through the application Ceethru, as you can see, and with a lot of features, and it's very interactive. So right now I'll show you on how to generate your own diagram so that you can use it for your own purposes. So before getting started, we need a few prerequisites. The first one will be to have an updated JDK version installed in your system. So if you go to your command prompt and type in java minus version, you should be able to see a Java version installed in your system. So this means that you have a JDK installed in your system. The second thing will be to have an IDE known as IntelliJ Idea installed in your system. As you can see, my IDE is open with the particular Java file. And the third thing that you will need is these two files, that is Ceethru to jar and Ceethru to plugin. So if you have these two applications installed, then you're good to go. And if you don't have it installed, then you can get it through the Google Drive link provided to you. So once you have all these prerequisites, you're good to go. So your first thing will be to open and to run the server so that you can generate your own diagram. So for opening the see-through server, you just need to click this file twice, and right now if you go to localhost 8080, you will be able to see a blank page. So this indicates that your server is up and running. The other way you can do it is go to the location in your command prompt. In my case, it's in my downloads, and just type in java dash jar and the file name, which is see-through v2 jar.jar, and if you enter it, you will be able to run the server. So right now I didn't run it because my server is already running, and the next step will be to generate your own diagram for this particular reason. So how to do it? So right now, as you can see, I have a Java file in front of me, and I'll minimize this so it's more clear. You just need to go to file, then go to settings, and as you can see, there's a plugin option. You need to go into plugins. So as you will not see this plugin in your system because it's not installed, but you can install it in a way where you can click on this settings button icon, go to install plugin from disk, and right now open the very particular see-through to plugin in your system. So I'll just go to my uh, location where it is saved, and yes, if I open this see-through v2 plugin, and it will tell you to restart it, and I'll just restart the IDE. It will restart again. So right now, if I again go to so as you can see, the plugin updates installed. So we are good to go. If I go to settings for my plugins and just click in OK, and right now my see-through plugin installed, and just to see the diagram, I just need to go to this icon where you can see it is see-through written, and there you have it. And if I generate a diagram, yes, there you have it. Your own diagram is generated through this process. So thank you for watching this video.